Students, am I audible, students who are in the online? Those who says good evening, I am also saying good evening. So now I'm going to start with the another most important topic, which is easy packages. I will start and don't take much time. So we'll go for packages. So there I'm talking about packages here. Okay, packages in Python. So easy now. As a part of that, we talked about index. First, purpose of package. Purpose of package. Next, I want to talk about creating package. Creating a package. Now I'm talking about using the package, using the features of package, using the features of package in Python program. In Python program. There I will go for number one by using sys.path.append. Actually, my interest is to directly go for A and B. By using Python path, by using Python path, this is my next thing, followed by programming examples. Programming examples. This is what the index, easy topic. Directly, I don't want to take much time. I'll take just a minute, students. Okay. Come to the point back. Now I'm going to start with purpose of package, creating a package, and then Python path and this part. See, students, when you go to our program, take directly one program and then we'll learn it. What is the use of function, module, package? Functions makes us to understand how to reuse the functions within the same program. We can't access such a type of functions in, come on, other program. Other program we cannot use it. So to use the Python program related functions, global variables in some other program, we will use which concept? Modules. Today, as you already know that, which I already said to you, this is in the same folder, x.py is a module. It is a module which is containing global variable is present, plus functions also present. This is x.py. I want to take y.py, which is a main program. There I am going to say import x, and with respect to x dot global variable, x dot function name, you will write it so that I can access it perfectly. This is what belongs to same folder. But our requirement is this is in one folder. This is called folder number one, having some type of module. I want to access into another folder called FD2. I want to use the module of one folder into another folder of another Python program of another folder. It means folder to folder I want to access. So module concept cannot do. Which concept can do? Package can do. So inside the package, what are you keeping? Modules. That's all. Don't take much time. So what is the definition of package? Collection of modules is called package. What is the module? Collection of global variables, functions, and class names is called what? Right. Don't take much time. So take I'll go to my place and I will take it as packages. One small concept I want to open it. Small concept. All of you read out this. Differences between function, module, package. Online students, be active, try to understand. Function. A function is a subprogram which is used to perform certain operation and provides a code reusability. Function related code can be accessed within same program, but not possible to access across the programs. Across the programs. This is what is related to function. Functions are meant for performing an operation, which I can use it in the same program only, but we cannot access in other part of it. Cannot access means what? Not possible to access. Not possible to reuse in other programs. So module you come. Module. A module is a collection of global variables, function names, and class names. Class names. The purpose of module is that to reuse the global variables, function names, and class names of module either within the same or across the programs, provided module and its corresponding main program must present in the same folder, but not possible to access across the folders or environments or networks. Not possible to access across the folders, environments, and then networks. If at all I want to do this, I must go for the next level called package. What is the package? A package is a collection of modules. Collection of modules. With the purpose of package concept is that to reuse modules, that is the global variables, function names, and class names, where module contain either within the same folder or different folder or different environments or different networks. So that things. So the concept of functions, modules, packages are called reusable techniques in functional programming. So let me go to the example here. Shall I write one example? Right. Let us go to the modules concept only. So here, actually, it's a very simple. Within 2 minutes, I can tell packages, but you are a student, so you will get confused also. Moreover, such a small concept will give confuse also for you. So I'll try to explain without confusion. Here, concept is nothing. We are reusing function of one module of one folder into another folder of another place. So that folder to folder, when I'm going, you'll get confused. That's the main thing. So go to the place. Here I'm writing simple example, very small LKG level of answer. I am taking welcome.py. 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 .py. DEF greet. Greet. Name. I'm taking function name. There I'm writing hi. I will write that name and I say good evening. I'm just taking like that. Dot format of what? Name. That's all. So what is the welcome.py is called? Correct. Module name, file name, and what? Module name. So no girl is saying. File name come what? Module name. This is called a file name come module name. Greet of name, and we got the data like that. This is related to greet of name, and then this is just the return. Where I was defined it, it was defined in C colon users KVR PyCharm projects 6 p.m. modules place it is created. That means in this folder, this module is available. In that module, this is the function is available. Okay, na? Now, I want to access in where? Python command prompt I want to access. Python command prompt I'm going. Student will get confused. Why? Because I'm going to work in different environments. Because student will not practice at all now. That's why you will get confused. If you practice daily, nothing. So tell me now, What I want to use it? I have to import the module or not? How to import the module? Import math. For example, math. Import is the predefined module or not? So no problem. It is importing. I will write what? Math dot POW of 2 comma 3. Answer is coming or not? Like how predefined modules are working every environment, like that. Today I want to go for import what? Welcome. Import welcome. What is welcome? What is welcome module? Where I was developed in PyCharm. Where I am accessing in different environment. See the error. What is the error? Module not found. Module not found. Then what to do? Go for packages. Go for packages. What is the package? First of all, did you understand? I'll go to where again? One more thing. A Python. Ideally, I will go ideally. Do you know ideally in my class? Yes. Go to ideally. There also I'll say what? From welcome, welcome, import, greet. Error. Where I defined it? PyCharm. Where I am using different environments. Error. Edit plus, I will go edit plus. Edit plus. New. Others. Python. Import. Welcome. Welcome as W. W dot greet of Rosum. Rosum. Save it. Where? 4, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. I'm going to take up in where one folder I will create packages. Packages. Save it. Sorry. So what is this now? Packdemo1.py. Packdemo1.py. Go to the command prompt. Go to the command prompt. CMD. Run this now. Run as administrator. Now I'm writing E colon KVR Python 6 p.m. So there I say packages. See students. PY. Sorry. PY. PY. What is my program name? Packdemo1.py. So you got error called what? Everywhere else. If you go to this place, same error. If we go to ideally, same error. If we go to command prompt, same error. Wherever you execute, same error. Speak out, mom. Speak out. If you sit like that, problem now. Thinking something, speak out. When you speak out now, you will get. So first we have to sit very confidently. So come to the point of it. No module named welcome. So confidence is important. Today I went to one college afternoon. My relative want to take his son. So after my topic, I will tell you that. Okay, now itself I'll tell and I'll move. So if my relative is asking 1 month onwards, he's eating my brain. To his son, he want to take one admission in engineering college, Hyderabad related, one city-based college. 1 month onwards, he is eating my brain. You come like that. Actually, I don't want to go, but he is asking. It's very close relative. He's asking, and I went. He already decided everything. Son and father already decided. So he is asking, and I said he came here, and I went along with his bike only. He is in very good mood, you know. His son rank is 86,000, 86,000, not money, rank 86,000, some 724, something is there. That is his rank, 86,000. What is that money or not, I don't know. So he said, what branch you want? I asked him today. AML is saying, AIML. You said your son don't know anything, you don't know anything, and you want this because he's very close relative. His wife is my sister related. very close. You and your son, you don't know anything and you want to do AML. AML, no, AIML. First you speak properly, I said. Okay, okay, no problem, I speak. So we went there. After we went, he's taking, already they spoke everything over. Just I went there along with him. Brought money also. And I don't, money he brought it. He said to me, donation itself is 14 lakhs for that seat. Name is, college name is okay, old college, branding only. But this person should have brand now. Only by seeing college name, if he join, it is a problem. I don't believe it. Inside person is important. A politician is wearing white shirt. Health must be good now. Health must be good. Inside organs must be good. So almost everything fixed. There are lot of parents are waiting to pay 14 lakhs donation for the seat. And he is the one. And I set total calculation. After that 1,40,000 again fees every year. Totally 20 lakhs. After that bike, fuel, dressing, bag, almost it will become 25, 30. And this guy, his son, that the person's son is not a normal guy. High five. Daily packet money. Only one son. Pampered guy. Pampering is not good. Okay. Let them take. But some limits must be there. He took it. Then I went there. Total health complete. Then they said called by principal. We went there. They are not even asking to sit. Minimum courtesy is not also. He is a old man, 65 years is there. He's just principal. He's saying, directly speaking, okay, pay, go and pay, and saying like that. And I said, by seeing their things, I got frustrated. And I said, what is your course? Not saying nothing. He's saying like a normal people, how they speak. They don't know any education, no education like that. They think that they don't know education like that. Don't know. So he said directly, go and pay. I asked a question to him. What is difference between AIML and DS? You're having some courses now. What is the CSC versus what is that? He's looking something different. So we spoke to him. He's speaking in Telugu and I spoke in English because at least he should say sit in the chair. And he is saying slowly, okay, just wait. I'll call my head of the department. Head of the department came. HOD is for that. Is almost 180 kgs weight. He is almost. He's in TikTok, tie, coat, everything is there. He came. And after that, they are asking difference between AI, ML, DS, IoT, cyber security and all. And he said beginning, what courses are there? You just tell them, he's saying. And his introduction, anybody can say. CSE, this one, like that. He's telling, thinking that others don't know anything, he is feeling. Then he said, CSE means this one is there, like that he's saying. Introduction to computers, Adi, Idi, he's saying something. Then I said, he only saying, I only will teach AI to them, I said. Then I want to tell him that he is also not saying, sit down. He is also speaking normally. 14 lakhs he is paying. Minimum courtesy is not there. Just water also not giving. It's just like a customer only. So I directly asked, are you are only the teaching AI now? I said, what modules you are using in Python to implement AI algorithms? I said. He said, sir, sit down, he is saying now. Immediately, sir, sit down, he is saying. He is asking me, do you know AI? No, just I am asking you, I said. Which modules you are using to implement AI algorithms? I said some algorithm, 10 algorithms. I said, directly. Which algorithm you are using? You don't know anything. And principal also shocked. He's asking that time, sir, do you know AI? He's asking me. No, I don't know. Just I am asking. This 180 kgs person not saying anything. He's saying, Apollo list is saying. What is the difference between list and tuple? I said in front of principal only. When I'm asking this, he's saying into, bool is saying. What I'm asking, what he's saying. Now I said to this guy, see, 14 lakhs you are paying, you don't know, he's the head of the department. Almost 180 words also you don't know. This much is there. I said finally, and because of that, the head of the department recommended to this. They recommended. They did not answer anything because of asking question. I don't know what is the luck this guy is having. 1.5 lakh directly they given a concession in that. Directly they made a call to chairman. I said I want to talk to chairman. They directly taken me to chairman. I told to chairman. Chairman also knows about, of course, maybe lucky this candidate is having. I said my shortcut name like KV Rao. So he heard very long back my name in Java field when I win. He gave 50 more thousand also concession is given. 2 lakhs total concession is given. 14 lakhs, 2 lakhs concession. 12 lakhs only. He said, sir, don't tell outside this concession policy. We never tell. First of all, 12 lakhs also wasted. 12 lakhs also wasted. 10,000 also wasted, I feel. So finally paid. Finally paid. Paid. Check is given, amount also given. Very happy this guy. Not worrying about this quality of education. So finally, admission is over. Then he's very happy, 2 lakhs concession came, plus joined. Very happy. After 4 years, I asked this person, after 4 years, what will happen? We'll see later, he's saying. That is what is happening. Hmm? Ramesh, you washed their brains. Hmm. Not, I did not wash because my botheration is they did not say sit in the chair. Maybe I'm in t-shirt like a normal. Today I went, maybe thinking that like a normal. All of them are, they came TikTok manner, like all of them dressing, everything. Because we don't give much preference. Because Saturday, relaxedly I went there. They think that like a normal. Actually, I want to still ask questions, but I did not. I did not make that. Hmm? Yes, education becomes right, becomes like that. So Vanilla is saying, sir, can I say one thing? Today education is just business. No ethics, no values. Yes, ma, correct. That is the one. So totally, this is the scenario. Yes, Anita, that is so problematic. And total people are waiting like anything, when they will call and want to put the total money bag in front of them. Really see how much problem it is. Any of students, by seeing that I'm getting some tension, I got it. As long as I'm there, now I got tension. If I'm there in that, we never, we want free seat in a prestigious organization. So, any of students, let us go to that. Now I'm going to Abu Rafia. Hmm. Yes, our student is better than that HOD of the college. Abu Rafia is saying 100%, I can say. But only thing is, we are not 180 kgs weight. We are just 74, 75, 76 weight. For our weight, for our height and weight must be balanced. And we should be little 5 kgs less only. Anyhow, students. Hmm? So Apurva, agree, sir. I wasted my 5 years. So 5 years, my integrated you did, huh? Integrated you have done it, Apurva. Hmm. So now I'll go to BSc, MSc. Okay. Okay. You went to that side. Okay. Anyhow, students, this I want to share with you. Anyhow, when you go to feature, don't pay that much money. Money buying education with money not correct, according to me. Okay. Anyhow, come to the point back. This name, welcome, is a module which is available here that I'm trying to access here. We are getting which error? Module not found. How to use it? Now I'm going to tell. Direct. Now, how do you create a package? Now I'm going to tell. package. Now I'm going to tell. A package is nothing but, coming to the point back, I'm going to say, a package, creating a package is nothing but, directly I'm writing, creating a package is nothing but, here, creating a package is nothing but, now one more question also I asked. And today I'm telling packages to you. What is the Python package I said? Last, what is Python package? He's saying 14 lakhs. I am asking Python question to that guy. What is the Python package? I asked. Actually, I want to find out whether his spontaneity is good or not. Then is Samaya Spurti subject law. Whether this guy is having Python subject or not. What is the Python package? 14 lakhs. I just want to test it, intelligence of the faculty. Even when I took an admission to my daughter in some corporate college, I inquired about that chemistry ma'am and physics teacher and then maths. I contacted them personally. I just tested them. I took one IIT question. I just gave the question to maths teacher first. My target is maths teacher. I just gave to that. He did not solve. Next physics. He solved half only. Enough. Chemistry. Ma'am, she's a great ma'am. I seen greatness in her. She solved it. And these two out. So anyhow, now come to the point. Creating a package is nothing but I took an admission there only because in other places when I inquired, total not solved. First of all, they did not see the question also. So at least these people have seen it and tried for half an hour, and they already almost come to know. They came for testing only. Yes, I really went for testing only. By knowing everything, if I take an admission, there is no meaning. So, come to the point of it. Hmm? Yes, Bhumi, come definitely. So creating a package is nothing but creating it, creating it as a folder, creating it as a folder. That's all. If you want to create a package, create it as a folder. So every folder is a package. Every folder is a, now come to now. Once again, tell me every folder is a package. Every folder is a package. Folder is a package. Package will contain what now? Modules will contain what now? Functions. Now I'm going to take it. What is my, here I'm writing bank. Bank. In that, I'm writing what? ICICI. ICICI dot what? PY. What is the bank? Folder. This symbol is called what, students? Folder. Folder is nothing but what? Package. ICICI dot PY model. One more is called AOP dot PY. Next is called mathsinfo dot PY model. What is the bank? Folder come package. So creating a package is difficult or easy? Easy. How can I create? Right click, mouse right click and say new and create it as a folder. See students, right click, mouse right click, new and then folder. What is the folder here? I am taking bank. In the bank, I will keep what? Modules. Modules is another Python program. In that Python programs, what must be there? Functions, global variables will be there. That's all. Class name. Class names don't remember. Then చెప్పినే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. చెప్పని ఏమవుతుంది. But people remember whatever I did not say, they will remember that only. Because remembering only unknown things is waste of time. You remember the functions, global variables, global keyword, global function, all those things, so many things I said. Anyhow, come to this place now, students. You go to the PyCharm. Today you tell me what is 6 p.m. modules? Package. Why? It is a folder. In the folder, what is the module name? Welcome. Welcome contains what? So now I am going to tell, come to the command prompt. Now here what I want to do? I want to use greet function of welcome module of 6 p.m. package. I want to use greet function of welcome module of 6 p.m. package. How to use it in this place? For that, I will use one statement. What is that? Sys dot path dot append. Append I am going to use it. Append I will use it. In the append, what I will pass? Absolute path of package I will pass it. Absolute path of the package I will pass it. What is the absolute path? Example, India, TS, Telangana State, Hyderabad, Amirpet, and KVR, and then what? Python, and this is in the Python, my file is there. This entire thing is known as what? Absolute path, from beginning to last. Relative path means only Python, and then within that file name, that is last folder name if you take, that is called a relative path. Are you following me? So suppose if you make a call to your friend who is in Amirpet area, you will say, I'm in Amirpet, he will say. When you call from Sri Lanka, you will say what? India, Telangana State, Hyderabad, Amirpet, Python, something like, you will tell the total path. That is known as what? Absolute path. Sir, what is this sys? What is sys? Module. I already said it is a module. In the module, in import, first I am saying what? Sys. It is a module. Module contains what? Huh? Only functions? Global variables. Global variables. Global. What is the path? Sys. In the sys, there is a global variable called path. What is the path? Global variable. How do you access? Sys dot path. Sys dot. So I will write what? Sys dot path. I will write it. Module name dot this one. Match info dot py yesterday. Match info dot e yesterday. Today sys dot what? Path. Every global variable is a dash object. Every object will have what? Class. What is the type of this path class? What is the path object? It is called what? Class list. What is that? Class list. అది కూడా చూపిస్తాను మీకు. Print of type of sys dot path. Sys dot path. What is that? List. What is this? Module. What is the path? Global variable. How do you call it? Module name dot global variable. What is that global variable type? List. In the list, which function is there? Append function is there. What is this? What is the list? Global variable. Of which type? List. In the list, what functions? 12 functions I said. One of the function is append. In the append, what it will take? Absolute path of the package. Now I am going to write it. Come on. Import sys dot path dot append of. I'll pass the absolute path. What is an absolute path? I will bring it. I forget. Don't remember that. This entire thing is called absolute path. Go there. Don't type it. Don't waste your time of typing. C colon users KVR PyCharm projects under the 6 p.m. modules. The folder. In the 6 p.m. folder, welcome. Welcome is there or not? Welcome. Where is that welcome? Last alphabetical order. You copy that entire address. In the address bar, you see, copy that. Coming to this place, you paste it within the double quotes. Now you will get some error. You will get some error. What is that error? \u is having some backslash concept. \t, \n, it is having some concept. \k, \p, \6, some escape character sequence error will come. To avoid that error, you are supposed to write double slash, you write it, double slash, you write it, double slash, you write it, double slash. Are you following me? Right, like that. That will make you sense. So that is going to give you this a single slash will be suppressed by this one. It is taken as a folder names only. Otherwise, it will take it as what? Escape sequence meaning it will take. Are you following now? Now you import. Now that means PVM is going to where? Modules. Now you say import. Come on. Welcome. Welcome as what? W. PVM will look for welcome module in where? The path which you said. 6 p.m. modules it will go and look for welcome.py. Yes, you are giving an alternative name called W. Perfect. Earlier we got which answer? Module not found error. W dot, what is this now? Greet of what, Rosam. Rosam, I will write it. What is an answer? Hi, Rosam, good morning. It was defined by somebody, I'm getting it. Next, I will say W dot, I will write it here. Pravesh, we are getting an answer. Somebody defined it, I'm accepting in different environment. Are you getting? So you can access this in other way also. You are writing like this now, you got error now. You got error now. You can sort it out this error like this also. What is this? This is this is like this, right? This is like this. Like this. Reverse is called like this, correct? This reverse is like that. You can write that like that also. You can write like this. Now here I am writing like this also you can write it. Like this also you can write it. Like this also you can write it. Execute that. Say well from import from welcome import greet as G. Perfect. G of what? G of what? RS. Got it. Perfect. G of I will write a TR. I'll write it. Are you getting or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. Dead easy. Where I'm using command prompt. Go to where? This place. This place. How to use it? Same. Come on, first. Import sys. Sys dot path dot path. Online students path dot append of that entire address. That entire address. So here I'm writing. Here I'm writing. So it is your own choice. I can write like this. Online students. Online students. Are you following students? Did you understand? That's all. Nothing is there. Very simple. Done. You execute. From where? From where? Welcome. Import. Greet. Import greet. Greet. That's all. Say what? Greet of something like something like something like ST. I write it. Stop. It is like this. Greet of I say James Gosling. I just say like this. Now this is like this. Are you following? Right. So got it like this. Following or not following? So wherever you define, you can access anywhere else or not? Yes. So this is the one. Go to this place also, edit plus also, edit plus also. This is my thing. I got error or not? Go to this place and I was executing, got an error. How do you overcome that problem? Go there. Before that, I can go. Come on. Import sys dot path dot append of that entire address. That entire address. Say something like this. Say something like this. Don't ask me, sir. Sometimes I'll use like this. Two things I will use like that. Two things reverse I'll use it. Don't do that. That is a reverse candidate that is called. So you use either forward or backward. Either it be forward or like this I'm writing. Are you following me? Done. Execute. Save this now. You execute it. See students. Done. Perfectly got it. Perfectly got it. If you want, you can go for W dot. Once again, you go for it. Greet of TR you say. Got it. See students. Perfect. Understood? Huh? Sometimes I will say, in this place only I will write, sir. See, something new I want to tell you. Where I said PyCharm projects only. What is the PyCharm projects? It is a root folder for what? 6 p.m. modules. What is the 6 p.m. module? Package. What is welcome module? How do you call the module? Package dot module name. So here I want to say, what is that now? Here I would like to write it. This part I don't want to write it. This part I don't want to write it. Under this I want to write it. 6 p.m. modules dot. What is 6 p.m. modules? Module name dot package. Package name dot module. As what? W. W dot greet. See students. So 6 p.m. modules, it is saying 6 p.m. modules is giving invalid decimal literal, it is saying. So invalid decimal literal. If you write a normal thing, it will be done. Okay now? So this is taking something like what, maybe it is giving, let me write like this, if anything working. So it is also going to give like this. So this is actually, I need to give it as what? Number should not be given because it is taking as a variable name. Variable name. I think you are understanding. I'll create and I will come to this example also. I'll explain. Are you following the mistake here? So because import package name also, it is a variable name. Variable name should not starts with a letter. Oh, sorry, digit. It should start with right. Now that's why better to go forward like this. You try to take it and try to go like this. Are you following me? Now further, I will execute this code and got the answer. Shall I move to the further? So what is this now? Understand what is the first approach? Sys dot path dot append. Sys dot path dot append. Online students, are you comfortable with this? Are you understanding this entire thing? Did you understand this entire thing? Quickly, everybody must respond it. Quickly, fast. In ideally also we did. Now in command prompt also we got it. Now I will go to PyCharm. Next example. Let us close this part. Let us close this project. New project I am taking, new. So today, now I am taking, now I am taking, now I am taking. What is this now I am saying? I am taking HYD, I am taking HYD. What is HYD? Hyderabad. What is it? మీరు ఇట్లా చెప్తేనే నాకు విరక్తి వస్తుంది అసలు ఫస్ట్ సే లైక్ దట్ ఐల్ గెట్ వై దిస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఈస్ if you say like that, I'll take retirement students if you say like that. Don't make me to get tension. Okay. Now coming to the point back. So it is not a file name, it is a folder name. I said every project name is a folder name. If we say these answers now, first of all, I'll feel myself something like disappointed because I have some little dedicate, what do you call, delicate. If my students say wrong, I feel that I only say wrong to you. So I don't know that symptoms, but I feel like that. So here, even when I was a student, when I say something wrong, I used to feel that day I don't take food also because I type of mentality I have. I don't know how it is coming. Come to the point. Here I'm taking HYD is a folder name. Inside of the folder name, I will take the one example. I will bring it. What is my example? I'll go to this ICICI. I will open it. I will bring it. This example, I will bring it. I'm not writing anything today. I'm not writing anything today. What I'm writing there? ICICI.py. There I'm writing ICICI.py. Just I wrote like that. Global variables are there. Global variables are there. And then like this it is there. Okay now? What is HYD? Huh? Every folder name is good. In that what is there? module. One more also I will place it. One more also. What is that next? Maths info. Maths info. That also I will bring it. That also I will bring it. That also I will bring it. Close. I'm going to keep it one more also. What is this now? Mathsinfo.py. I'll paste it. How many modules are there? Yes. In older version of Python, this is called perfect package. In older version of Python, all folders are not packages. All folders are not packages. If we want to make folder as a package, we used to write some empty Python file. We used to write it. What is that empty Python file? __ init.py. It is an empty Python file. We need to write it. But this Python 3.x is optional. You need not to write it. Just like what? When we go to any healthcare center, there is a person who is wearing the stethoscope. Then we can recognize he is a doctor. All are wearing white in dress means who is a doctor, who is not a doctor, we don't know. So to recognize somebody is some designation is there, we require an ID or not. Any folder is a package. That folder must contain one empty file called __ init__ That type of folder is called what? Package. So all folders are not packages, but all packages are folder. So which folder is a package? Any folder contains an empty Python file called __ init.py is the package. But as on today, that is an optional. Did you understand that point? That is the optional, not necessary to write it. If at all you want, I will write. So here only what is there? Modules are there. So from now onwards, I'm going to say what? Bank is my folder. In that, what I'm having? ICICI.py, mathsinfo.py. Now this is called folder. If you want to make it as what? Package, you write what? __ then this is called package. But as on today, this is optional. No need to write it. Are you following me? So again and again, if I repeat such a small topic, no use. First of all, packages, nothing is there in that. Are you following? So now go to that. Go to this place. In this place, go. Tell me. What is that? Import HYD. Module not found error. Can you use it now? Tell me. Sys already imported sys dot path dot append off. See already there, students. In this place, see projects PyCharm project C colon. This entire thing I will get it. Go to this C colon. Don't get confused, students. Users, and for packages is concerned, no programs I am going to take. I'm copying module level programs only. KVR, and next is called PyCharm projects, and HYD somewhere else. There is a HYD. Under that, this is available. ICICI Maths Info dot. Get it? Now I'm going to take it. Now I'm going to take it. Here I'm writing. Here I'm writing like this. What I wrote it. What I wrote it. Only this part is written. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. Like this I am writing. See, students. Now I am going to take it what? Import. Import HYD dot Madhubabulu ICICI right as IC. Earlier wrong came. Why wrong came? 6 p.m. 6 is a digit. Now it is working. Understand, students? Did you understand the reason? Every variable name must starts with an alphabet or underscore or double underscore. Okay. IC dot what? B name. Super. IC dot what? ADDR. Excellent. Next, IC dot what? Simple INT. Simple INT. Enter the amount. And 2 and 3 got perfect output. Who developed it? Who is using? See where it is there. Are you following that? HYD.ICICI dot as IC. One more way. See students, one more way. These are all called great things. From HYD, import ICICI as IC. Understand what is HYD? Package. Importing what? Module. Alias name is what? IC. Just extend your subject. Okay. Now IC dot what? ADDR. IC dot. IC dot. What is this now? Simple INT. So 3004 and 5 got an output. Easy or difficult? Easy. When I am taking an interview, I will ask this question. Nobody will answer it. Even though you are 200 kgs weight, you cannot answer it. Weight is not important. Brain is important. So bodybuilding not important. Brain building is important. Today I come to a conclusion. Today I come to a conclusion. So I said to my relative also, see how much is the weight and the subject is, where is the subject and where is that? It is like that. If it is balance, like that. So you have to be careful in reading the subject. Come to the point back. Are you getting it? Now, I'm going to enter it. Students, did you understand this importance, students? Did you understand this importance here, how I used it? This kind of thing. Very, very, very important. Understand? Go. Now I'm going to use it here in this case also. Anywhere else if you use, you can use it. Now if I go to this place also, same to same. Now tell me, sys.path.append, small limitation, I will raise it. If I want to use ICICI module 100 times, 100 different environments, definitely 100 places I tried sys.path.append, sys.path.append or not. One more time you take it. This is called my Python environment. Close it. And again I will go to that Python environment. I'll go to Python environment. So I'll go to Python environment. Again, I am saying what here? Import. What is that? Sys, okay. Sys. And sys dot, directly I'm writing. Sys dot path dot append is okay. Now I'm writing what? Import. What is that? ICICI dot ICICI as IC. It is giving error. Again, I have to do sys dot path dot append, that entire story I have to write. If I come to 20 times separately, 20 times I have to write it. So, but I want what? I want a permanent setting. Suppose if I want to install my project in the client organization, where client is having fixed location, there I need to set permanent setting or not. That I have to go for Python path. That is what is my index. By using sys.path.append, one more is what? Python path. Go. Now I'm going to. Here it is an error or not? Error. Again we got an error. Again, when you go to import, welcome also. Welcome also error we got it. Welcome. Welcome is the one module we took it or not? That also. It is giving error. Actually, earlier we got an answer. Now it is not getting an answer. So I have to make it as what? Permanent path. Shall I go to permanent path? Yes. Online students. Permanent path is nothing but I need to take one environmental variable called Python path. Capital letters only you have to type it. Sir, where should I go? Go to start button. This will come. There you will write it. Environmental variables, you type it. Environmental variables. Environmental variables. You are having edit environmental variables present into control panel. Type it. Once again, go to your things, environmental variable. If you type small letter like that, it will be showing. Click on edit. Showing here called what? Okay. Environmental variables are there or not? Click on environmental variables. There are two things are there. User variables and system variables. System variables will be shown all the users who logged into this machine. User variables are those which are shown to the particular logged user only. When I open my Gmail inbox, my mails only I can see because I'm entering my username and password. But the top level, that is interface of the Gmail, and bottom copyrights result. That is a common for everybody. So system variables are common for all the people who logged into environmental variables. Environmental variables are those which will provide what? Startup information to my OS. Startup information to my execution environment. That's why environmental variables required. So I'm going to create my own environmental variable. Click on what? New. Click on new. Say new. It is asking variable name. What is my variable name? Python path. Don't give space. And you need to place the address. Address you need to place it. What is that address? C colon users KVR PyCharm projects HYD. But you need to write what? Double slashes. Double slashes. Double slashes you need to write. And you know why double slashes to be given actually? You can write reverse also. And say okay. Are you understanding? Python path you need to type. Paste that address as a variable value. Python path is an environmental variable which will give you the startup information to my execution environment. Okay, click on OK. Okay. Python path is created. Say again OK. After saying OK, don't click on that. Are you following me? You click on after giving, click on what? OK. Second OK. After that, don't click on this cross mark. Third time OK. Are you okay? First time okay, second time okay, third time okay. Fourth time, are you okay? First, you are okay. What is okay full form? Hmm? What is okay full form? British people used to say all correct. All. They used to say all. Correct. They used to say like this. This is a old English. Okay. All correct. All like that. Our English, our people understand all. They say all. They understood oh. Okay. Do you understand? Right. So, objection kilda. That is one more full form. Yamuna side defined. What is ETC? You write something, one, two. After writing two, you will write ETC. What is ETC? Huh? Etc. Aim students. What is SIS model? What is ETC? Like that, some general knowledge also must be there. What is ETC? For every English word, there is some phonetics is there. Phonetics, some meaning is there. Some very good meaning is there. ETC stands for end of thinking capacity. And after writing first one, second one, third one, you will write. And the teacher also will say what? After writing one or two, she don't know next. She will write ATC. ETC means end of thinking capacity. And you give something, you will say ETC. End of thinking capacity. కొన్ని తెలుసుకోవాలి మీరు అసలు చాలా తెలుసుకోవాలి. Okay. Now go to the subject Python path. So did you understand I said that or not? Go to the Python environment. Say what now? What is my module? HYD module. Come on. Import ICICI. Error will come. Why error will come? Because this was launched before my Python path. So please close this. Exit off. Now you go back. Once again go back. Once again go back and say here as what? Run as administrator and saying here. Now you say import what? ICICI as IC. Getting or not? IC dot what? B name. IC dot what? ADDR. Not only that, IC dot, what is that? Simple INT. Beautiful. 1000, 3 and 4. Got it. In IC, not only that HYD contains only that. Our HYD contains what? Maths info also. How do you do that? Come on. Already you said what? ICICI. Come on. From maths info, import what? Star. Also working. Print of what? PI. PI. Perfect. Import of what? E. Got it. Perfect. You exit it. You come again. Again you go. Again you go. Wherever you go, again you go to this place. See, students, run as administrator. You say what? Directly. What do you say? From ICICI, import simple INT as what? SI. SI coming. Say here 5,000, 6 and 7 got the answer. Am I writing sys dot path dot append every time? Directly getting. One time if I said Python path, I am using every time or not? Online students, are you getting, my dear students? Getting or not? Are you understanding this Python path? Quickly, I want to know about it. Next, I want to know one more thing. Next, I want to know one more thing. One more package I want to create. Can I create one more package? Create. I want to create one more package. Go to this place. Here I am writing one more package I want to create. What is my package I am creating? Go to this place. I am saying here, new project again. New project. What is my new project? I'll take it. Bangalore. Bangalore I will create. BANG. This I am writing it. It is asking this window you want a new window you want a attach. Let it be attached because both of them can be seen. Bangalore package is also there. And right now it is not containing anything. This is the modules of what? This HYD. In this place, especially you write one empty file or not. What is an empty file? Underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. Yes, one empty file. Don't write anything inside of that. Getting or not? Go to what next? In our place. Already I did 6 p.m. and the modules concept. One yesterday, operations concept I said to you. Operations. Did you remember that operations? These things add, etc. That I will carry. Only one thing I will carry. Just don't get any difficulty. Here I am writing operations.py. Operations.py. There I am writing it. Just everything written. Then straightforward. See that Bangalore is called what? Package. Go to that. How do you go to that? Take that now immediately. C colon users. Go to KVR. Under that PyCharm projects. Bangalore. Here it is a Bangalore. Where is it? Bangalore. There you take this as everything. Address you take it. Immediately go to where? PyCharm. Control panel. Say what? And what is that? Environmental variables. Edit. Saying here. Click on where? Environmental variables. Path. You say what? Edit. Don't say new. Edit. Why I'm coming to second time? This is a meaning. Second time I want to put one more package. Edit. Second time when you come to that, edit. When you say edit, already what is containing it is showing. Now I'm going to place second package. That time it is a semicolon. Semicolon. Put the second package. I am writing there double slashes again there. Double slashes again there. Are you following me? Double slashes again there. Say what? Okay. Again say what? Okay. Again say what? Okay. Are you okay? Okay. You are okay. You are already daily okay, but next day you are not remembering. That is a problem. Not okay you are. So go to the next place. Here I am going to say. Here I will get it what? Operations. This is working. But now, come on. Import what? Operations. Import operations. Import operations. Not coming. Why? Because I made it after launching this. Say what now? Exit. Please go again, ma. So go to this place, run this now, see this now, coming to this place. Come on now, tell me. From operations, as operations, import star. Perfect. ADDOP off. Enter two values, 2 and 3. Perfect. Sub of, sub OP, sub OP. Perfect. See how it is 3 and 4. Got the answer. MULOP of, say here 5 and 6. EXPOP of like that, and it's 4 and 5. Got it. You want to see the help. Help of, what is that? Sum OP, sum OP. So getting sum OP defined. What is that? Sum. So here I will write it. What is that here? Here I am writing add OP, yeah? Okay. Whatever it is, whatever the function you are given, like that. CMA add OP. What is the module name? Help on function add OP. In module called what? ADDOP. Operation at BY. Something is coming like that. It is giving the help on our module also. Exactly working like a predefined. So this is a question. How do you prepare your own library? It is like this. Getting or not getting? So this is online students. This is one thing. You can go to anywhere and you can use same thing like this. Okay now. So you go to the PyCharm once and a different folder I will take it. See new project. And I'm writing here SEC, SEC attach. In SEC then another folder. Folder to folder I am showing. Go to where, close it, go to this place. You go to this place. Here I am writing kvar.py, say here, what is that now? From Bangalore, from, what is that now? kvar.py, sorry, what is that module name? kvar.py is there, not there. I don't want there. In where? SEC. In SEC. By mistake, it went there. kvar dot what? Or something like sample.py. Go to that. Now I want to use what? Operations. I want to use operations. How do I write operations? Come on. From operations, import support ADDOP as AP. AP of. Though it is coming in red underline, no problem. Why? It may give error, but I have to launch again. It will give you module not found error. Why? Before environmental variables, it was launched. That's why you do what? Exit. Exit. Again launch it. Again launch it. So you'll get it. So Hemnath, that's what I'm saying. You can run anywhere else. Anywhere else. So this is the one. Run this now. Run this now. Asking, enter two values. 1020. Got an answer. Different folder, folder to folder package. Understood or not? Yes. You can go to Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is another thing, which I am telling in the data science level. Jupyter Notebook is what? Another IDE, browser-based IDE. Click on that. It's a browser-based IDE. In the total data science, I will tell you from there only. Data visualization and everything. See students. Come on. From where? From operations. From operations. Import star. Don't use star. I'm saying directly. ADDOP. See directly I'm getting the answer. Enter two values 10, 20. I'm getting the answer. Super. Where I developed it, where I'm using. Beautiful. In project level, this is most useful. How my online student will use it, this one, I'll go to my system. To my online students, if they want to use out, I'll go to this simply this place. Where is that? C colon, program files and users, KVR, and there is a PyCharm projects. There is a HYD is there. HYD is there now. At HYD, whatever these are there, I will create one folder. I'll create one folder. This a folder is there or not? That folder, I will create a zip file. Zip file. I will say what? Right click and say what? Zip file. I'll compress it. Compressing. It is going to be zip. It is going to be zip. Bangalore also is there. Bangalore is also there. I will zip it. Yes, both of them are there. Both the zip files are there. I'll copy it. I'll come to where? I'll put it into my desktop. I'll put it into my Google Drive class. I'll put it into my Google Drive class. They will download it. Once they download, you will get it in download folder or not. I'll set the path of my download, what I downloaded, execute my program. So you need not write the code. You can set the path in environmental variable also as a path. Got it up? Last example. Online students, I think there is no sound from your side. These things I will put it into where Google Drive class. You will download it and you will set the path for that thing. Third time I am going to. Third time I am going to. I'll go to one more type of new project. New project I'm taking here called what? I'm going to take the new project as something like what? AP. AP. This is attach. Attach. AP is coming. In that, I will take one more thing. What I'm taking there, I'll take a small thing. I will write it what? Some name, I will take it. Something like, mm, something like info, something like information. Information, one function I will take it. One information dot py or something like you take it sample. No problem. Sample. There I'm going to take it in where it is created. In this place it is created. In this place it is sample is there. In this place also sample is there. Sample.py. And don't think that sample.py there also you take it. There I'm taking what? DEF. Information. I'm just going to write it. Just information from, just one example, from AP. Just one thing. Some function I define. If you want, you define many things. Understood? Now I will write it. Yes name is equal to AP. I will write one global variable also. And this part I will take it. This one I am taking. Finally, I am going to get AP. This is an AP. Under that, I will take only sample. I will copy this. Go to where again? Environmental variables. Environmental variables. Edit. Say environmental variable. Third time I am coming. Second time I put comma, semicolon. Sorry. First time I said new. Second time I put semicolon. I can say it is over because third time, fourth time, fifth time also, because you have to see that also. That's why. Say what? When you edit, no semicolon will come. You will get some window will come. See that it is going to give you Python path you select. Say what? Edit. When you edit it, window is coming. No comma concept. You say what that time? New. There you paste it. Are you getting? First time new, second time edit of Python path, semicolon. Third time select the Python path, edit it, window will come. There you will write it. See students, these many things you have to remember. So say what? Okay. Say okay. Say okay. Are you okay? You are okay. You are always okay. But only thing is next day not okay. Go to the place, Python environment. Python environment. What is my module here? Sample.py. So say there, come on, from where? Sample, as from sample, import what? What is that? Information. Information. Information I wrote it. Information I wrote it. So as I error, because I have to stop it. You stop it and come out of it and go there. Now I will take it, go to the place, come here, say here. What should I do? From sample, import information as I of print of what? Yes, a name, error. Why? You did not. So what there? Import. What I should say? Yes, a name. Print of what? Yes, a name. AP. Are you understanding? So this is called what? Like it. In email is in sys.path.append, Python path. That is only the two things. Everything is simple. Go to the place. Here I am taking packages. Concept is what? Notes, I'll open it. There you see, read out quickly. Already you know, functions will do what I said, module will do what I said. Next is called what? Package concept is a collection of module. The purpose of package is that to provide the code reusability across folders, drives, environments. But to deal with the package, we need to learn the following. Create a package, reuse the package. How do you create a package? To create a package, we use the following steps. Create a folder. Place or write an empty Python file called __init __dot py. Optional. You've seen. Next, place or write the modules in the folder where it is considered as a package name. Understood that? Next is called what? Bank package name. ___ dot empty Python file. Optional to write it. Simple int.py. AOP.py. ICIC.py. Welcome.py. Greet.py. These are all called module names. Perfect. To reuse the package, we use by using sys.path.append, by using Python path environmental variable. By using sys.path.append syntax. Sys is a predefined module. Path is a predefined object of list. Variable present in sys module. Append function is a predefined function present in path. And it is used for locating the package name of Python. Specify the absolute path. So, what some confusion is there? Definitely, I said confusion is there. Why? I'm doing edit plus sometime, PyCharm sometime, Jupyter Node sometime, morning Bangalore, evening Hyderabad, and night USA. Confusion only. Where is there? We don't know, and that's why we need to practice daily. I'm not doing today. No coding. First of all, package is not a simple free. It is just creating folders. That's all. Did I do anything coding here? Sys.path.append Python path. It's just like a mechanic job today. So, example, sys.path.append. See that double slashes. Sys.path.append. This is going to be what? What is there? This is going to be available reversed slash, not this one. This is going to be like this. You need to take it. D colon like this, I said. Are you following me? Reversed slash. This is the one reverse. Are you following? By using what? Python path, and I don't want to say take the mouse, click on start button, search something, type environmental, click OK, second OK, third OK. I don't write those things because that is not a Python nodes. You have to practice. So just I wrote Python path is environmental variable. Search for environmental variable, steps for setting and variable name. First time setting new, second time setting edit with a semicolon, third time setting with a new for empty space, there you paste that address. That is the concept. So don't remember, immediately going to home, practice it. Instead of remembering, if you try to, tension will come. Don't try to remember anything, practice. Okay now. So if you start remembering, problem will come. Tension will come always. You cannot get sleep also. If you practice and understand, forget about it. When the situation comes, load the subject in the brain. Correct? So if you start buttifying everything and start remembering, it's a problem always. Okay now? This is about Python packages. And here I am not going to upload any programs. I will put only 2 zip files I will put it. That you try to use it and try to practice. Okay now? So whether you'll practice or not, I don't know. If you practice it, it is good for you. So Monday, I'll go for what? Exception handling I will introduce. Very, very important topic. And in further also, if you want, sir, show that example of exception handling with packages. I'll show. Show database example through package. I will show. Mixing package with anything, I can show. Okay, now modules also will be continued. Packages also will continue. Loops will continue. Functions will continue. All topics will continue daily. Okay, now. So online students, I think clarity is there in my explanation. I think no confuse. I expect like that. So definitely some confusion is there because creating folder you did not do so far. If you do it after going to home, you'll get clarity. Okay, now? So I'll stop my class. Tomorrow class. Tomorrow Sunday, anyhow, you know. Monday, I'll go for exception handling. A very, very important topic will start. Thank you, students. All the best. Carry on. So online students, you hold on if any doubts are there. I'll clarify your doubts. Any doubts are there? I'm ready to clarify. Raise your hands. Srikanth,
Sir, good evening.
good evening, sir. Tell me.
Sir, one doubt, sir. In packages, we are creating folders, sir, for each folder, like HYD, and
Mm,
for Bangalore, we have created Bang, right, sir?
mm.
So under projects. So can we define in environment variables only the projects till projects? Then the subfolders can it be uh, can we
You can
define like
you
that?
can take up to projects. That time you have to call it as a package name dot module name you have to call. That syntax also is set.
Oh, okay, sir.
Right.
Sorry, sir, some network issue at that my time.
Okay,
Sorry,
okay, okay, okay,
sir.
okay. Next, Ankit Singh. Ankit Singh.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ankit Singh. Tell me.
Sir, my doubt is today is like different. Like with Python, what other things we can do to get placed, sir? Because we haven't done any placements in our college. That's
No,
why
no,
we
no,
are.
I'm not getting what you are speaking. Clearly speak so that I can understand.
Hello,
Yeah, tell me.
yes, sir. Good evening,
Good evening, ma. Tell me.
sir. I am saying that in our college with without a replacement, we just passed out with Python. What other things we can do to get been placed or better in IT field?
In your college,
We didn't get placements. So what other things we can do with Python to get being placed in the IT industry? What other things we need to practice?
along with Python, I understand from your side you are in the college. Completed or not, I don't know. You are asking placements related, correct?
Yeah, yeah, you completed, sir. That's why you are asking what
College
other.
is completed, huh? College is
Yeah,
completed.
yeah, yeah.
Any placements came?
No, sir.
So you have to learn full stack Python. I think you are in the full stack Python, correct?
Yeah, 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 sir.
So you learn everything so that you can, after completion of everything, practically, if you improve everything, you will be getting perfect job for you. There is no doubt in that.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. Thank you.
Right. Next, Kodeshwar Rao.
సార్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్
Good evening. Good evening. Tell me.
సార్ నిన్న టైం అని వాడేది కదా సార్ అంటే 20 seconds అని మెన్షన్ చేశారు కదా నిన్న
ఏందమ్మా?
నిన్న ఒక కోరి రాశాను సార్ 20 seconds హోల్డ్ లో పెట్టి
ఆ,
ఎగ్జిక్యూట్
ఆ,
చేస్తాను
ఆ, ఆ.
అది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా 20 పెట్టినప్పుడే 20 seconds ఎందుకో వస్తుంది సార్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్
ఆ
20 అని
టైంలో
20
ఆ టైంలో పోయి అక్కడ పోయి మాడిఫై చేసుకొని వస్తానని అది మీనింగ్. 20
అది
కానీ
కాదు
అది 15 కూడా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు.
అది ఓకే సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనం 20 పెట్టామంటే సెకండ్స్ ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటే మినిట్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు మినిట్స్ వేరే
They
మాడిఫై
gave
ఉంటుంది
the syntax in the form of minutes, syntax in the form of seconds.
అక్కడ
Syntax
సెకండ్స్
set. చెప్పు చెప్పు.
సార్ అది సెకండ్స్ అని మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు సార్ అక్కడ.
Seconds అని మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు కాదు అది. That syntax is given in the form of seconds format only, I said yesterday. సెకండ్స్ ఫార్మాట్ లోనే ఉంటది అది, మినిట్స్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉండదు మాది. The
ఇప్పుడు మనం
documentation says that it is in seconds. Seconds ని minutes లోకి ఎట్లా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తావు?
ఇంటూ చేస్తాం. మనకి ఎన్ని మినిట్స్ కావాలంటే 1 మినిట్ కావాలంటే 60 సెకండ్స్ సరిపోతుంది.
అంతే, అలా
ఇప్పుడు మన
చేసుకోండి.
2 మినిట్స్ అంటే 120 సెకండ్స్ గా మెన్షన్ చేయట్లేదు.
అంతే కదమ్మా మరి. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ స్టూడెంట్, టుమారో మండే ఐ విల్ క్లారిఫై. హలో బాబు, హలో ఆఫ్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్, మండే ఐ విల్ క్లారిఫై. మండే Yasmin, sorry. Yasmin.
Yes, sir.
Yasmin,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me. Tell me, Ma, you
Hello?
have some. Tell me.
Hello.
Tell me, Yasmin.
Yes. Sir.
I'm not getting your voice. I'm not
some
getting your voice.
queries.
Breaking.
Yes, sir. Sir, do I have to set the environment path?
I'm getting
Okay, sir.
completely
Sir,
breaking in your
I
voice.
have little queries, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Next class, you make your query ready and I will clarify. Make your environment ready. Next class, I will clarify. Okay, now?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir,
Next, Apurva.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Hello.
Tell me, Ma.
Sir, I want to learn data science. Sir, after Python, I want to learn data science.
You can learn it.
So, but I want from you. I
And
want
my,
to.
yes, Ma, my batches may not be there because I am busy with Python classes completely.
Sir, any chances in future, sir?
If any chance is there, we will intimate to
If
you.
you take.
If any such
Okay,
chance is
sir.
there, we will intimate. Okay, na?
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma, right. Okay, students, take care, and I will upload the notes and take care, and all of you try to do that. Thank you, guys. All the best.